Good morning, students. Today I would like to explain about the to study and verify the truth tables of logic gates. Here in this logic gates consisting of three types: basic gates and universal gates and specialization gates. The basic gates considered it as a AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, and universal gates are considered it as a NAND gate and the NOR gate, and specialization gates consisting of a XOR and XNOR. I'm going to showing the NAND gate symbol and truth table of NAND gate. Okay, mainly the definition of the NAND gate. Okay, here it is the logical operation of NAND gate is such that low output occurs only when all the inputs are high. Only low input also it is high. When any of the input it is low, the output will be high. The combination of any two inputs, here the two inputs consider it as a and b are the two inputs. The output we are getting a into b whole bar. Bar means the negation of ab. Okay, it is the complement of the AND gate. Okay, the truth table consisting of both two inputs are low also it is high. In the AND gate it is both two inputs are low means low, but it is AB complement. Complement means 0 is complement is 1. If the input it is one input is low and another input it is high, 0 1, then the output also it is high. The multiplication of 0 into 1 is 0, but the complement of 0 is 1. And the one more input it is the a is input is 1, B is input is 0. The combination multiplication of A into B 1 into 0 is 0. 0 complement means 1. And one more last input combination it is the 1 into 1. Okay, one input A is A, another input it is B is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 complement it is 0. Okay, how to we are taking considered it as a input. In a 2 power n combinations we are taking it as a input, and we are getting how many combinations? Four combinations. Instead of n we are applying the how many inputs we are taking. Here we are taking two inputs a and b, so n equals to 2. In the formula 2 power n equals to 2 means 2 square, it is equals to 4 possible combinations are occurred in the NAND truth table. Okay, only it is both two inputs are high, only low. The remaining all combinations are high. Now coming to how to connecting on the breadboard. Okay, it is the breadboard showing the picture. It is called it as a breadboard. These are the input toggle switches. This is the VCC and this is the ground. Okay, these are the 10 LED switches. These are the output part. These are the input toggle switches. This is the power connection. We are giving 5 voltage of power on IC. We are giving to verifying the all the gates. We are applying 5 voltage of power. And ground, how much of voltage we are keeping the ground? 0 voltage of power we are applying. Okay, coming to I am showing the pin diagram of the NAND gate. Okay, it is the NAND gate pin diagram. It consisting of quad 7400 quad IC integrated circuit pin diagram. So it is the NAND gate picture pin diagram. It consisting of 1 and 2 are giving the input to the gate, and from 3 we are getting only one output. From 3 we are getting 4 and 5 are the inputs and 6 is the output. 7 is the ground, and one more side, opposite side, two gates is completed, and third gate it is the 8 is the output, 9 10 are the inputs, and 11 is the output. Okay, 13 12 is the inputs, 11 is the output. It consisting of 4 gates. That's called it as a NAND is a 7400 NAND quad IC. Quad means it consisting of 4 gates. Now I am going to explaining about the how to connecting on the breadboard. First keep the First keep the IC on breadboard. It consisting of how many pins? It consisting of 14 pins. Okay. This one, the first position, it is cut symbol. It indicates the cut symbol. It is the starting one to inserting on the breadboard. Okay. If it is ready to keep on the breadboard, then we are applying the how to connecting on the breadboard. The seventh pin, it is the first one. We are keeping the seventh pin is the ground, and one more one, it is the 14th pin. We are keeping the in IC, the 7th pin is the ground and 14th pin is the 5 voltage of power VCC. Now I am verifying the first gate. 1, 2 are the inputs, 3 is the output. Now I am keeping the first one. On the first one, I am the straight one, first pin I am connecting, and now I am giving to the toggle switch, input switch. And one more one, the second pin is the input, and third pin is the output. Right, the third pin is the output. The LED is glow, means it is the output. How it can be? Verify the output. Both the two inputs are high only, it will be low. The remaining all combinations, it will be high. Here I am operating the toggle switches 0 0. The positions is 0 0 position. Okay. If it is low, what first you on the power. If it is low, low means how it can be shows? It is low. Both two inputs are low. In the truth table we are verifying 0 0 means 1, and 0 1 also 1, and 1 0 also 1 0 also 1, and 1 1, it is the both two inputs are high, the output it is low. So we are verifying the truth table of NAND, it is completed. It is the way to you have to complete the remaining all the gates also. It is very easy with the help of the pin diagram. And one more one, it is the, now I am explaining about the NOR gate. How to connecting the NOR gate. Okay, it is the truth table for the and gate symbol for the NOR gate, NOT plus OR. Okay, NOR gate. It is the truth table for the NOR gate. Here when the two inputs it is possible to high, the remaining all combinations of input it is low. It is NOT plus OR gate, the complement of the OR gate. The OR gate, we are getting the both two inputs are low is low. The remaining all combinations is the addition of any input, it is 1. We are 1. But here it is the both two inputs are low, it is high. The remaining all combination, the input also it is 1 also there. The complement it is 0 plus 1. We are considered it as a 1, but the complement of a plus b whole bar NOR gate symbol. So a plus b whole bar it is equals to 0 plus 1 1, 1 complement 0, and 1 plus 0 also 1, but 1 complement it is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Here it is considered it as a 1, but we are 1 complement it is consider it as a here in the NOR gate 0. Both two inputs are low only, low. The remaining all combinations are, the two inputs are low only, high. The remaining all combinations are low. It is the definition of the NOR gate. Now I am explaining about the NOR gate, how to we are connecting on the breadboard. It is the breadboard. Okay, it is a 7402 quad IC. It consisting of 14 pins. The pin diagram for this IC, it is the 7402. Here it is a 7402 IC pin diagram. The first one in the gate, it consisting of 4 gates. That's why we call it as a quad 7402 NOR gate IC. First one pin, it is working it as a output. Second and third pin, if you verify on the breadboard, it is working it as a inputs. Fourth pin, it is working it as a output, and 5 and 6 are considered it as a inputs. And the opposite side, 8th pin and 9th pin are the inputs, and 10th pin is the output. And one more gate, it is the last gate. 11 and 12 are the inputs, 13 is the output. Now coming to verify the first gate, first one is the output, second and third are the inputs. Now I am connecting the on the breadboard. First we are keeping the 7th pin is the ground, and the 14th pin we are consider it as a 14th pin we are keeping the VCC, and one more one, the first pin we are keeping here to output, and one more one, second pin is considered it as a second pin we are giving to input, and third pin we are giving to input. Now let's on the power to verify the both two inputs are if the two switches are in the low only, the output it is low. If the two switches it is low and high, 0 and 1, then the output it is low. When the two when one input it is high, one more input it is low, 1 0, then the output it is low. The two switches low and both two switches in position 1 and 1, both two switches are in high 1 1 combination, then the output also low. When the combination of two switches it is low 0 0 position only, the output it is high. It is the verification of the NOR gate. Thank you, students.